If you're looking for an affordable mechanical keyboard, this might be the one for you. You can get this keyboard on Amazon for around $30, which is much lower compared to many mechanical keyboards out there. It arrives very nicely packaged in this cardboard box. It also includes a 5.9-foot braided USB 2.0 A-type cable. The keyboard comes in its own plastic covering, which makes tons of fun crinkly sounds. The keys are what you would expect from a cheaper mechanical keyboard. Some nice resistance and clicks to them, rather comfy, though a little narrow and close together. It also comes with a wrist rest, which is a bit too hard and solid for my liking. And it's got these rubber feet on the bottom, which is okay. The keyboard itself also has those same rubber feet, as well as little stands to increase the height of the keyboard. Additional WASD keys are also included, which is a nice touch. Okay, now taking this for a test run. I'm foregoing the included wrist rest and instead using my own. I'm enjoying the comfort and click of the keys. I'll go ahead and take you through some of the RGB settings. I took this through a test run on Overwatch 2 as well as the text-based game The TeknoAXE, which you can see my gameplay on the video in the corner. It's a great general and light gaming use keyboard. Not a ton to write home about. It works well enough. I'd say my biggest complaint is that the cutouts for the keys are a bit hard to see sometimes when you don't have a ton of light on you. There are just a few little design issues, but for the price, you really can't go wrong with a mechanical keyboard, and these aren't really huge complaints. Overall, I've been using this quite a bit, and I'm pretty satisfied with my purchase. We have an Amazon affiliated link in our description if you want to take a look. I've been Sari Torres for the Pixel Slayers, and thank you so much for watching.